Have you ever wondered why you feel more awake after a good night's sleep? Or why you crave certain foods even when you're not hungry? The human mind is a complex and mysterious thing, full of quirks and peculiarities that scientists are still trying to understand. Here are some little-known psychological facts about ourselves that might surprise you. Fact 1. Our brains are more active when we're asleep than when we're awake. During the deepest stages of sleep, our brains are actually more active than when we're awake and performing complex tasks. This is when our brains process and consolidate memories, and it's also when we dream. Fact 2. Our memories are not perfect. Contrary to popular belief, our memories are not like a perfect record of our experiences. In fact, they are highly susceptible to distortion and change over time. This is known as the reconstructive nature of memory. For example, if you try to remember a conversation you had with a friend, you might accidentally change or omit certain details. Fact 3. We have an unconscious bias. Everyone has unconscious biases, or automatic and unconscious attitudes or stereotypes that we hold about certain groups of people. These biases can influence our decisions and actions without us even realizing it. For example, studies have shown that people are more likely to associate positive words with images of white faces and negative words with images of black faces, even if they don't consciously hold racist beliefs. Fact 4. We are more influenced by our emotions than we realize. Our emotions play a much larger role in our decision-making process than we might think. In fact, research has shown that our emotional state can actually change the way we perceive the world around us. For example, if we're feeling happy, we might see things in a more positive light, while if we're feeling sad, we might see things as more negative. Fact 5. We have a negativity bias. Our brains are wired to pay more attention to negative stimuli, such as threats or dangers, than to positive stimuli, like pleasant sights or sounds. This is known as the negativity bias, and it's thought to be an evolutionary adaptation that helped our ancestors survive in dangerous environments. Conclusion: these are just a few of the many fascinating and sometimes surprising psychological facts about the human mind. Understanding these quirks and peculiarities of our minds can help us gain insight into our own thoughts and behaviors, and can even help us make better decisions.